Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube. Before I start talking, let me get this straight. I'm gonna need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to me. Like, I need it. But yeah, stay tuned. Watch how I got this install. Well, put in this install. And I hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Okay, before I actually explain this step, I want to tell everyone that this is a $100 Amazon wig. The quality, it was like really silky, but the frontal, it was really thick. So the first step that I did was to pluck this thick behind hairline. So that's what I'm doing right now. And yeah. So after plucking for like a good hour or so, I decided to, bleach my knots to, cause the knots were like really like thick. So I was like, yeah, if I wanted to look natural, I need to bleach it. And when it comes to bleaching, I really don't know the actual measurements. So I just, just dibble and dabble. And the consistency you want is like a really thick texture, like a toothpaste texture. So yeah. So I left the bleach on for like 20 minutes, and excuse me for cover up the camera, but it's just me washing out the bleach. And here's me, just placing the wig on the dome head. As you can see, I did over pluck just a tad bit, but it's better than what it was before. So yeah, now I'm about to blow dry the hair, and yep. So here's me looking crazy, just placing the wig on my head, and it was a bit small. Like, I have a big head, so the wig was small, but yeah, it's laying pretty well for it not to be glued down, and yeah. So now I'm using bold hole glue to lay down my lace, and when I lay down my lace, I like to cut my lace into 3 sections so I can focus on each section, and yep. once everything is glued down, I'm going to use my elastic band so it can lay down longer. And I kept that on for about 15 minutes, but when I took it off, it was like this little glue residue. That was an easy fix. Yep. I'm going to start styling my hair. I'm just going to use my flat iron or bumper, whatever you want to call it, to curl out my hair. And I can tell you the truth, like, this hair was so silky. There was no snags or anything. It's actually a good quality wig. So shout out to Amazon. So my camera died while I was curling my hair, but here are some pictures of the finishing product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!